Let's look at this 1964 Falcon Futura two-door hardtop. It is sitting on some old school Cragar wheels. It has the Futura trim along the side, along with the little fins along the rear. Taking off the hood, we see it has a V8 in the car. Being 1964, this is a 260 rather than the 289. Quick way to tell on these old cars, it has a generator rather than an alternator. The back of the vehicle is complete. It has the Futura trim in the back as well. You can see the trunk is pretty solid except for a corner which has a little bit of rust, as you can see. The interior overall, it's nice. It was a standard car, 4 on the floor. It does have some rust on the floorboard on the driver's side. However, it is a split bench seat, and if you look at the rear, you will also see that it has some rust in the rear floorboard behind the driver's side as well. Back seat is complete. Let me know in the comments what you think, if this car should be saved or should it be junked.